Siphinde ke sikamukele mbukeli ekhaya lakho lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sikubingelele mangabe usanda kuhlanganyela kanye nathi mbukeli. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi ke namhlanje. Ukubeze kodwa abantu abadala bethi ayikho indawo edlula imfudumalo yasekhaya. Sethembe ukuthi nawe mbukeli ufudumele phela kusekhaya la hlala kanye nathi sesilishayisa buqa-ke ihora lesokuqala sikhola siyadilika ke kwelesibili sifinqa imkhono impela wena wabona ibandla lidikadika inkomo isibayeni ngiyamzwela umakhelwane ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi iso lakhe hayi lokho lingaphi estudio 12 bafuna ukwazi ukuthi senzani khona
sibuyile qathatha use right
sase right
hayi sise bright nathi masiphinde ke sinibulise kule yure yethu yesibini yenqubo konke ke siqhubela phambili simane sinikrobisa nakoko kuthekwa kuphosa kwiyure yokuqala ngoko ke ungalindela indaba eziqulathe oko kusemdleni woluntu nako konke ekufuneka ukwazi ngehlabathi esiphila kulo ake masingaphosi maphiseko sichaye isaqhuma Igunya abantu lezotshishiso lithi isicelo sebail sikaGqirha Nandipha Magudumana nezakuqala kwinkundla kamantyi yaseBloemfontein ngalentsasa siza kuqhutywa iintsuku ezimbini.
Mbukeli sizoxhumana nodokotela uMphopha Latsi oseshiye phansi njengekhansela leDA emkhandlwini idolobha waseGoli othubuyela emsebenzini wakhe njengodokotela.
Sanibonani babukeli, I go by the name Kelo. Ngicela ngichubeke nibheke Ekhaya Jikelele as they bring you sports, entertainment and news from Monday to Friday. Sibonga, danko.
Igunya abantu lezotshishiso lithi isicelo sebail sikaGqirha uNandipha Magudumana nezakuqala kwinkundla kamantyi yaseBloemfontein ngalentsasa siza kuqhutywa iintsuku ezimbini. Magudumana ke uphakathi kwabantu abali-12 abatyholwa ngokuncedisa umdlwenguli nowayingumbulali uThabo Bester ukuba abaleke kwiziko loluleko eMangaung eFreystata kwinyanga kaCanzibe kunyaka ophelileyo. Magudumana wasilahla isicelo sakhe sebail ngenyanga kaCanzibo walonyaka. Oku ke yayikulandela isicelo kwinkundla ephakamileyo sokuba abanjwe eTanzania kubhengezwe ngongekho mthethweni. Esi sicelo siye sachithwa kwinkundla ephakamileyo emva kokuba ifumanise ukuba uvumile ukuba abuyiselwe eMzantsi Afrika.
Wasolile njengekhansela leDA emkhandlwini idolobha waseGoli wabe yimeya kuleli dolobha udokotela uMphopha Latsi. Udokotela uPhalatsi umemezele ukuthi ushiya kwezombusazwe ubuyele emsebenzini wakhe wokwelapha iziguli njengodokotela. Udokotela uPhalatsi waba umuntu wokuqala wesifazane ukukhethwa njengemeya yaseGoli emva kokhetho lohulumeni beyindawo luka 2021 wangena ke ngombimbi lwabaqembu abusa ngokubambisana okukhona kuwo iAction SA, iFF+, iIFP kanye nePatriotic Alliance. Kanti ke usanda kususwa kulesi sikhundla ngoMasingana wanonyaka. Estatimendeni sokwesula kwakhe uPhalatsi uthe wamisa umsebenzi wakhe njengodokotela emzamweni yokuletha uguquko emphakathini. Manje ke ukholwa ukuthi sifikile isikhathi sokubuyela ekusebenzeleni umphakathi njengomelaphi. Okhulumela ke iDemocratic Alliance uDevon Steenkamp uqinisekisile ukuthi cha bayitholile impela incwadi yokwesula kukaPhalatsi.
Inkundla ephakamileyo iza kube imamela izicelo zombutho abaqatha abazimeleyo woMzantsi Afrika kunye ne-One SA Movement namhlanje. Umthetho wonyulo uza kuvumela abaqatha abazimeleyo ukuba bangenelele unyulo lukazwelonke nolwephondo.
Ukunqoba kwenhlangano iNew Nation Movement enkantolo yomthethosisekelo kuphendle indlela yohlelo olusha lokhetho ezovumela abantu abayimele nje bengenele ukhetho.
The bill remains fundamentally flawed because it doesn't deliver an equitable electoral system. It's not an electoral system that's going to enhance accountability. It's not an electoral system that's going to give a meaningful role for independent candidates to play in our politics going forward.
Naphezu kwaleli igxathe linqophamlando ofaka isicelo oqala iIndependent Candidates Association of South Africa ayikuzwisisi kahle ukuthi oyimele uphoqeleke ukuba athola amavoti amaningi ukuneqembu lezombusazwe uzazothola isikhundla eshamthetho sikazwelonke. Le nhlangano inezathe eziningi zokuphonsela lokhu inselele.
They do the seat allocations. As we know, there's 400 members of National Parliament. So what has happened is when they do the seat allocations, what we call the quota, in the past and currently, political parties to qualify only need 43,000 votes to get a seat in Parliament. The bill is written, and now the Act is written, so that for independent candidates to qualify, because it's now regions, will have to get between 77,000 votes and 93,000 votes, nearly double that of political parties.
Ofaka isicelo wesibili okuyinhlangano i-One SA Movement ikhala ngento efanayo. Kusenjalo iRivone Circle yamukelwe njengozolekelela inkantolo ekuphumeni nesinqumo.
The signature requirement on unrepresented political parties and independent candidates has potential to harm our constitutional democracy and our multi-party democracy.
Lolu daba kulindeleke ukuthi liqhubeke kusasa ngeleshumi ihora ekseni.
Usihlalo wekomiti lomphakathi elibhekele ukulwisana nobugebengu eLodium usephakamisa ukuthi kuzofanele bathathelwe inyathelo eziqinile abazali beingane ezishe zangqonqa emjondolo yase-Itirileng ePitoli. Umbukeli kusolakala ukuthi izingane ezinhlanu zishe emjondolo beyishiwe ke zodwa ebusuku bangomgqibelo ngesikhathi onina bazo beye esportini.
Bekuyisimo esidabukisayo lapha ngesikhathi amalungu emndeni yezingane ezinhlanu ezishe zaba ngumlotha ebuthene endaweni yesehlakalo. Kusolakala ukuthi abazali bazo bayishiye zodwa ngesikhathi beya endaweni yokucima ukoma. Amalungu emndeni akhungathekile namanje. Gafushane uthi uzizwa enecala kwayena ngokushana kwezingane zakhe. Uthi bahambe bethi bavakashela udadewabo nakhona baze babuya ekseni sebemtshela ukuthi izingane zishe nendlu. Akakwazanga nokuhlonza izingane zakhe uma ifike endaweni yesehlakalo. Omama bezingane sebegciniwe esitokisini samaphoyisa nokulindeleke ukuthi babekwe amacala obudedengu. Ikomiti lendawo leCPF lifuna ukuthi bagwetshe kanzima inkantolo.
I made it my mandate with my team to engage with our local SAPS in terms of not just negligence, but in terms of converting this charge as culpable homicide. How do you leave your kids unattended, lock them up, and go to the shebeen for a night of partying?
Owengamele ezokuhlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng uhambele kule ndawo ekseni namhlanje.
We have established that there are people who are renting shacks here. So what it means is that many people who are staying here are not necessarily the owners of these shacks.
Luyaqhubeka uphenyo ngembangela okuyiyona eqale umlilo. Okwamanje kusasolwa ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi kube izintambo zikagesi ongaxhunyiwe ngendlela efanele. Abazali ababili beingane ishonile kulindeleke ukuthi bavele kafushane enkantolo maduzane.
Umncedisi weclass yesikolo sabo bangevayo ngendlebe nabangaboniyo iBatimia velile phambi kwenkundla kaMantyi yaseThabantu ngezitsholo zokudlungula umfundo neminyaka 16. Esisehlo kuthiwa senzeke kwinyanga yoMdumba kulonyaka kodwa sivele kwiveki ephelileyo ngethuba lomfundi exela esikolweni. Umuweti Rakwena oneminyaka engama-26 budala utyholwa ngokudlengula umfundi webanga lesibhozo. Esisehlo kuthiwa senzeke kumasango esikolo. Kutyholwa ngokuba uRakwena wedlwengula lo mfundi emva koko wamnika i-R20 emcela ukuba athule. Ityala lihlehlisiwe umhla wesi-6 kweyoMsintsi ukuze kuqhutyekwe nophando luqhubekayo kunye nesicelo sebail esilindelekileyo.
Iphini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile njengamanje useJuba eSouth Sudan eNingizimu Afrika ibambe iqhaza ekugcineni ukuthula kulelozwe. ISouth Sudan ithwele kanzima ukuthuthukisa amakhono kanti iNingizimu Afrika ibilokhu nje lekelela iJuba. UMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubeke eseqoka iphini likaMongameli uPaul Mashatile njengesithunywa sakhe esikhethekile eSouth Sudan. Ukuvakasha kwakhe ke eJuba kuza ngesikhathi lapho phela kulindeleke ukuthi lelozwe libambe ukhetho ngaphambi kokuphela konyaka. Kanti ke umbukeli uhulumeni waseSouth Sudan udonsa kanzima ke ukwazi ukumelana nababaleki selokhu kwaqala impi lapha ya eSudan. Ihhovisi likaMengameli selikhiphe istatimende lehalalisela izwe laseZimbabwe ngokhetho olusanda kubanjwa kuleli yazwe. Lesi statimende esinomusho ofundeka kanje. Iningizimu Afrika iyaqonda ukuthi ukhetho lwenzeke ngaphansi kwesimo somnotho esinzima ngenxa yonswinyo abantu baseZimbabwe ababhekene nalo okwamanje. Siphinde saphawula izimemezelo ezenziwa abaqapheli bamazwe ngamazwe ngaphambilini futhi kucelwa zonke inhlangothi ukuthi zisebenze ngokubambisana ukuze kugcinwe ukuthula nokusebenza ekuthuthukiseni izwe laseZimbabwe. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Njengoba nje bese kubikelile mbukeli ngodaba lokuthi udokotela uMphophalatsi wesulile esikhundleni njengamanje ke sesixhumana naye ngohlelo lweZoom malungana nokwesula kwakhe. Dr. Mpho, welcome to Ekhaya Jikelele. Greetings and thank you so much for being with us and joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Why do you feel that you will make a better, meaningful contribution elsewhere, as you stated in your resignation statement?
Well, the council that I joined in 2016 is very different from the city council that I find myself in now. It has degenerated. It operates almost as a circus. There's not even a semblance of professionalism in the space. And it's been progressive, it's been worsening, and unfortunately there's no sign that it will be turned around anytime soon. As a professional, I find myself frustrated. Many officials in the city also express the same sentiments. They are frustrated with what is happening currently in the city, and they would really like to get help. Unfortunately, we've got an opposition that's quite fragmented. The bloc cannot seem to work together effectively to either challenge or oust the current administration. As a professional, I feel it's better to channel myself differently as a resource and continue to serve my country.
Yes, Dr. Mpho, as you're mentioning, lack of professionalism in the council is one of the reasons why you resigned. What about, I wanted to understand also as well, if we should rule out another reason being that black leaders in the party are not treated equally as their white counterparts. Would you agree with this statement or would you differ?
First of all, I've not resigned from the Democratic Alliance. I have resigned from my role as a city councillor in the Johannesburg City Council. So I don't want us to conflate the two issues. I need to bring that clarity. Okay. So no, I'm still a member of the Democratic Alliance. I will remain an activist in the DA. And I will just, in terms of my work, I will channel myself differently as a resource.
So I understand if you're saying you're still the member of the DA, then it means then you will be campaigning for the DA in the 2024 general elections.
Well, I'm going into the field of medicine. I tried to do my medical work while being in council. It has become increasingly difficult. As you understand the nature of my field of work, it can be quite erratic, there can be emergencies, unpredictable. So it will be difficult for me to commit myself in a more formal role, but yes, I will assist where I can.
So as you are going back to your medical career, I can just imagine how you are feeling because, I mean, it is your first love after all. And I am sure that you will feel fulfilled in that field where you'll be helping people. Because I understand that your reason for joining politics, you said you were trying to contribute into the rebuilding of the country. So I guess you'll still be doing and contributing towards the country now in a form of just helping people.
Oh, absolutely. I'm elated. I'm excited to be wearing my scrubs again. But more than that, I'm really excited to be going into a professional field with people who are colleagues, who are professional, who respect the ethics of the profession. I'm really excited to really be moving into a space where I can feel like I'm growing, I'm honing my skills, I'm preserving my skills, and hopefully I can bring those skills back into public service in the near future.
So is this the end of the political career, or maybe if there were to be changes in the council, you might consider in the future coming back to politics?
I've made it very clear, even in my resignation letter, that this is not the end of my political career. The current climate, unfortunately, does not align with my own value system as a professional, and I'm removing myself for now, and I will be back. I don't know in what capacity and at what level of government, but I'll certainly continue to focus on my journey of serving my country.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mpho. We wish you all the best. We know you're going to rock it in the medical field, and so we just wish you all things good, and hopefully we'll see you in the future in terms of the politics, because we still believe that there's a lot that you can still contribute, especially being a woman in Women's Month, and happy Women's Month.
Thank you so much, and happy Women's Month to you too.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Mbukeli lo besixoxisana naye uDokotela Mpho Phalatse. Sixoxisana naye ke mayelana nokwesula ke esikhundleni sakhe lapha njengemember noma ke ilungu lomkhandlu walapha yana ke eGoli. Uyasho ke naye ukuthi cha akayishiyile iDA, usalilungu nje leDA, kuukuthi nje njengamanje ke useyahamba ubuyele emkhakheni wezobudokotela okuwumkhakha owuvela uthando lwakhe lokuqala. Echaza ke izathu ukuthi ukungabe bikho kokusebenza kahle lapha emkhandlwini, ngokwesingisi ke ethi nje i-lack of professionalism yiso ke isizathu esikhulu esimenze ukuthi ke athathe lesi sinqumo. Kodwa uyasho ukuthi hayi cha akuphelile ke ngaye kwezepolitiki, sangambona ke esikhathini esizayo ephinda ke futhi ebuya njengamanje mbukela sithi qhu etolo siyabimva komzuzwana.
Inkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo-ndaba yakho uDTT. Izazi Clothing lishishini lowasetyhini osuka kwilali yaseTsomo eMpuma Koloni. Lo mzimveliso ke wempahla wasekwa ngonyaka ka-2018. Uqala ke ngokwenza iimpahla zabantwana besikolo. Uye wazuza ke indumasi kumakhasi ezonxibelelwano ngokwenza iimpahla zesiXhosa enxibisa ingcali noosaziwayo. Sawuqhagamshelana nomlawuli welishishini uOnwaba Mleve ngaye uZoom. Onwaba masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni yethu ekhaya jikelele. Sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Molo sisi. Molo nani baphulaphula.
Uyaphila kodwa?
Ndiyaphila, ninjani nina sisi?
Siyaphila, sikhali nganto. Ngaphambi kokuba ke singene kwishishini lakho, khawusithole thuphe njengokuba ungubani uOnwaba?
Okay, uOnwaba yintombi yaseTsomo kwilali yaseKhuse. Ndikhulele khona ndafunda eKapa up to grade 12. Then from there ndaya eJoburg uyokufunda further. Then after ndiye ndafunda eJoburg ndiye ndaqalisa ke usebenza kwi-company ezi-different, because ndisebenzile for uLancet, ndisebenzile for uMedicross, ndasebenza for uDeloitte ebengokugqibela kwezi company bendizisebenzela. Then ngothando of making an impact ndiye ke ndaqala i-NPO The Ark Foundation eKuruleni. I-NPO eyayisenza i-extramural activities and extra classes kwii-no-fee schools. Kulapho ke yonke le nto ndikuyo ngoku, which is ukuthunga nokuthanda ukwenza impahla iqale khona.
Wow, uhambo lwakho ngenene liyangqina into yokubana zonke izinto zinako ukwenzeka. Sitheke xa sijonga safumanisa into yokubana Izazi Clothing, siyabona into yokubana waqala lo mzimveliso ngokwenza iimpahla zabantwana besikolo ngaphambi kokube kanti untingela ulapha namhlanje unezazi Clothing. Khawusibanisele ngohambo lwakho nokuthi mhlawumbe usuke from ukwenza iimpahla zesikolo uqonda bajonga mandenze Izazi Clothing yenzeke njani yonke lonto?
Okay, sisi. Ukuqala kwami ukwenza uniform, where's the extra classes besizenza? Bekukho abantwana abamane besiza ne-uniform ekrazukileyo. Then we would fix that. Then abazali beza bazobulela. Babezobulela, the question was, kutheni abantwana bene-uniform ekrazukileyo kodwa bayayihola igrant? Because ke noko imali grant ingayithenga i-uniform, bathi bona i-uniform iyadura. Then ndabuyela emva to do my homework. Ndabona nyhani i-prices azenzi sense. Then ndaqala uthetha no-principal uba ndicela ukusuplya i-uniform. Then ke sasingekabi nazo nee-machines or anything. O-principal bathe xa bendibona uba bayayivuyela le nto. Ndaqala ke ubhala ileta sicela uncedo. Sancedwa ngu-Turnover, an engineering company eseJoburg, yasithengela imitshini eyi-20. Satreyina oomama baseGuruleni senza i-school uniform. Ukwenza kwethu i-school uniform, i-demand iye yanyuka because ii-prices ngoku besezifikeleleka. Sasuplya nezikolo zaseMpumalanga. Then xa sendiyibona uba iyakhula le nto, ndaqonda uba hayi man, makhe ndi-expande. Xa si-expanda, it didn't make sense uku-expanda apho bendikhona ngoba ndandifuna ushiya the project iqhubeka phaa yesikolo. Kodwa mna ndibuyele ekhaya to create imisebenzi. Ngelo xesha i-Eastern Cape ibi-the lowest kwinto yabantu abangenamsebenzi, ibiye yona inabantu abangenamsebenzi. So ndaza ke ndamuvela apha ephondweni. Umuvela kwam apha ephondweni, my husband naye ebesemuvile kweli cala. Saqala ke sakhangela indawo yosebenzela. Kwabe kukho ifactory eyayivaliwe, ifactory eyayinabasebenzi aba more than 500. Siye ke sahlanganisa nomyeni wam uba sizama uthenga le factory sizokwazi ukuvula le misebenzi besisithi sifuna uyicreate ngokwehla kwethu. Sayifumana ke yaba segcuwa. Ukuba segcuwa kwayo, i-uniform yona sayishiya isenziwa eJoburg because besingafuni ke ngoku sosithatha le project seyiqalile simke nayo. Kulapho ke decide uba masiyivule ngoku as a company, not as an NPO. Sasuplya ke i-PPE, not just school uniform. Sasuplya PPE, general uniform, hospital linen, and impahla. Saqhubeka ke sisuplya i-PPE. Then ndaba pregnant. Uba pregnant kwam, i-Butterworth yaba kude for uba ndimane ndivuka ndiye-Butterworth from eMonti. Ndaqalela umyeni wam uba wena khawuhambe uye umane uvuka uye-Butterworth, mna masivule something apha eMonti that will keep me busy kweli cala. Uthando lempahla ke it's always been in me because bendifika eshophu ndifika into ndiyithanda qha ndiqonde yazi ngeyintle uba ibi-edwe into ethile nento ethile. So bendifila uba xa ndiyithenga injengoba injalo ayindifanele ngale ndlela ndiyifuna ngayo. That's when ke ngoku savula i-factory nje eMonti and ndathi asizuthunga PPE or uniform ke kule yalapha eMonti, funeka sithunge impahla. What I did, njengoba besingathunga impahla bendithungela mna ndedwa. Then I posted all the clothes endizithungileyo for mna, and mostly bendithunga impahla zesintu for mna. Then everyone wazithanda ezi mpahla. Then I saw an opportunity that I wasn't aware of because mna bendizithungela nje izinto that I love and I'm comfortable ukuzina. Uthe ke ngoku ndobona uba wonke umuntu uyazithanda impahla, kwaye ndaqala apho ke. And it was fun because creating into entsha every day, an exciting design and everything, to me it made me, I think, excited every day. was looking forward to coming up with a new design, looking forward to bringing something new to the market, because into endiyibonileyo apha ezimpahleni awusenza impahla yakho iye abantu baye bayithunge bayiphindaphinde, then ke ngoku ingabe sayibiyo original design, because nethi bayibone then they will want to do it again. So I was like, for me to be different, every week I need to come up with a new design. And funi wonke umuntu acinge fana uba I'm about traditional way. If you can see my pictures and in Tumelele Zona, it's a modern tradition. Modern tradition, it means ndisinceda abantu to be comfortable ngobubona, because umbhaco is not about umgidi or umcimbi or anything yesintu thina esikhule umuka kuyo. Ngoku izazi, hence the name Zazi, i-identity yakho, you can wear it anyway. Ndiqala ngesixhosa ke but asiphelelanga apho, sisizawuya kuzo zonke i-cultures sizenzele impahla.
Ndiyayithanda le nto itshoyo eyokubana uthi zazi, know your identity, and uyazi kaloku i-identity yakho unxiba, and ndiyayithanda le nto itshoyo into yokubana awaziwa kuphela ngombhaco, kodwa uyazama into yokubana uhlanganise i-modern tradition kuphume ubuhle bobumbejembeje sibubonayo. Hayi, siyabona ii-pictures zintle kakhulu, ziyangqina into yokubana umsebenzi wezandla zakho mhle kakhulu. Ndiyaqonda wena into yokubana mhlambe zikhona ii-challenges okanye imicelimngeni njengomntu ohlala ezilalini oye uhlangabezana nazo ingakumbi kweli shishini okulo. Ingaba uzama njani ugcina ishishini lakho likhula urelevant? Sentsho ngoku sikwi-era ye-social media, abantu bayazijonga izinto ku-social media bazithande, but I mean, you don't only want to be relevant kweli xesha sikulo ngoku, but in 10 years, in 20 years usafuna mhlambe kuthiwe Zazi clothing. Yintoni oyenzayo differently uqinisekisa into yokubana use-relevant kwaye ishishini lakho liyakhula ngokukhula?
Okay, ndizawuthi into esiyenzayo when we're creating a design, if you can check our designs, we change designs every week, which is the interesting part. Bathi beyiba ube wena so uphinde wenza a different one, and i-colors zethu are very unique and different. Umbhaco kusaziwa nga 4 colors, like red, black, cream, white. But now when you check Zazi colors, nomuntu onyabepi, everyone knows it's Zazi. Singekafake ne-branding or ungekaboni kwanto, the colors, they speak volume. However, as much as i-colors speak volume, yabona ngoku wonke umuntu is trying to go back to their roots, ububona babo. So nathi as we create, we evolve, but singayishiyi ola hlobo oqale ngalo umbhaco. That way, in 20 years' time, abantwana isizukulwana sethu will say Zazi clothing kwakuqala kwanqatywa kanje. So now we are making a mark uba umbhaco uqale kwisikhakha, which nangoku asisikhuphanga. As we busy creating new designs, see part yethu. That means history. Umntana xa vula i-pictures zesintu. Let me speak about this first. Babona isikhakha, abone how the clothing evolved. We will always be that part of history, because modernizing umbhaco but singabushi ubuthina yenza, I'll say we're creating history actually.
Creating history. Kanye apho ngaphambi kokuba nje sikuqhale wena mntasekhaya, ndiyafuna into yokubana umntu ofuna ukukulandela, afuna ukukuxhasa xa ibona le misebenzi emihle uyenzayo, ukufumana phi?
Usifumana ku Facebook, we are Zazi Clothing Factory. Instagram, Zazi Clothing Factory. Ku WhatsApp 063 477 4893. Abalapha ephondweni or abazileyo bazovisita ishop yethu is number 28 Brill Street, Arcadia. We are next door to Utapawe. Then our factory, because there's those special orders, is Funa Ubasil Tailor Make. Abo baza straight to the factory, and number 23 Hill Street in the CBD yalapha ePhondweni eMonti.
Masibambe ngazibini onwaba ngexesha lakho kwaye sikunqonelela okuhle kodwa kwishishini lakho Izazi Clothing.
Enkosi kakhulu sisi.
Right,
enkosi ngexesha lenu.
Sikubulela thina. Right, Mukelwe Ekhaya Jikelele lo ke besincokola naye nguye uOnwaba Mleve ongumsunguli weZazi Clothing esixelela ke ngeshishini lakhe lokuba kaloku niyayazi ukuba sininika iqonga gxebe kumashishini asakhasayo. Masithi qhwi evenkileni siyabuya ngayindawo.
Siphinde sikwamukele ke mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonge kakhulu ngokuthi ke nisahlanganyele kanye nathi lapha Ekhaya Jikelele. Khumbulani phela babukeli ukuthi sikhona lapha ezinkundleni zethu zokuxhumana, ningaxhumana nathi, nixoxisane nathi. Kukhona nje ke ingosi yalapha Ekhaya Jikelele ebizwa ngokhala ekhaya. Lapho kwazi ukuthi uthumele khona izikhalo zakho nazo mbukeli, ungasibhalela udaba lwakho bese thina ke njenge Ekhaya Jikelele sixhumane nawe sizame ukuthi ke sikutholele usizo ngalolo daba ke osuka ukhala ngalo. Sinayo futhi nengosi ebizwa ngobusazi na lapho ke sikwazi khona ngokuthi did you know ngesingisi esikutshela khona ngalolo suku ukuthi kwakusuke kwenzakalani ngolunye usuku ngaleso sikhathi. Siyathanda nje ke ukuza kini ke babukeli nokuthi nicabangani, ngakho nje ke ngithi ke qhubekani ke nokuthi ke nixhumane nathi lapha Ekhaya Jikelele. Usahlezi ke nami intokazi esemantshalini kanjalo noKholosa wakwaLubiso. Kwamanje mbukeli ngaphambi kokuthi ke siqhubeke phambili ake sibheke isiphosiso lapha esimeni sezulu sizwe ukuthi ngabe kume kanjani.